Good morning everyone, and guess where I am? You guessed it, back in Daniel Oakley's bathroom. I hope everyone's well and it's got that Friday feeling. It's Friday. Now I've just stripped the old vanity unit out. Let me turn the camera around. So there you have it, that's the waste. That's the hot and the cold to the taps. Just got to remove some of those wood battens and that down there. I'm going to have to enclose the pipes somehow before I fit the new vanity unit. That's the old stuff. I can't wait to get this done and get my boat back. Stuff everywhere. But yeah, so that's it. I'm going to go and get the van loaded up with all this wood and then take it down to the recycle centre. Okay, right, let's switch that noise off. Right, in the van, right, I'm going to drive through devizes, go to the recycling centre and get rid of this vanity unit. And then we can grout the wall I done on the last video. Probably do some more tiling. I don't know yet, I don't know what to do. I'm a bit non-motivated today. But we've got to be motivated. I might even sort the piping out, the plumbing, I'll see. Right, let's get to the recycle centre. Always busy in devizes, no matter what time of the day. Well, good evening. It's actually evening. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to get, let me turn you around. This will be in black and white. I've grouted that wall. I'm going to grout this wall. I want to try and get this wall grouted. And then the plumbing, I can do the plumbing. Is my nose gone red? I've got an old scar there. I think it has. Anyway, sorry. Where was I? Yeah, so I'm going to try and get this grouted, and then I can do the plumbing and get the sort of shower in on this side. So this will all be done, so I can have a shower in here, a rough shower. And then we'll carry on. We'll tile that down there. Tile that. Obviously I've took the sink and that out of the old vanity unit. Now I've got to work out the new vanity unit because it is smaller and it isn't so wide, so it gives me a lot more room in here. So what I'm using is I got this from B&Q. This is just an economy grout float. So it's like a, can you see me? I don't even see me. It's like a foam. It works really well. Okay, that's it for tonight. So I've got this wall now grouted. That's that wall done. I can now concentrate tomorrow. Well, tomorrow evening probably again. I'm out tomorrow. Grouting, plumbing. What joy. I might even tile that. I'm going to need some more tile adhesive come grout. So now what I said with those pipes is I'll box them in, and then there'll be a box section where that bucket is. That'll be where the pump etc sits, so you can get at it. Yeah, still plenty to do. Still plenty to do. Right, see you in a bit. Okay, well, I'm back in Daniel Oakley's bathroom for a change. So I'm going to be plumbing in the shower and that today. I've been to IKEA this morning with daughter dear, Lily B. Had a breakfast there, £3.95 for a full English. So yeah, we're going to plumb this in. I've already recorded this once, but I forgot to press record. So I'm doing it again. So what we're going to do is, if I turn you round, there's the brass pipes coming out of the wall there. I've cut 2 pieces of brass pipe there. Now, this is the shower controls. I wanted to go industrial. Now, to buy industrial shower taps, they're well expensive. So I wanted something simple. So I've gone with these cut-off valves. They should work okay. If not, I'll have to change them. And that's, whoops. Yeah, so that's what we've got. So that's sit on the wall there. I've got these brackets, oops, just there. So that's sit on the wall there. with the pipes going in. I've got some more brackets, and then those pipes are going there, and then you'll have a pipe come off the top there, up to there, onto the shower head. So yeah, that's what the plan of action today is. And then obviously put the brackets in, I'm gonna have to cut into the tiles. But I have got some tile cutter drill pieces, specialist ones. So hopefully that'll be fine. Right, let's get going. Right, so first things first, let's get these pipes shoved in. I hope this works. Let's take that out. Right, let's get that pushed in there. That's that one in. Get the other one done. Right, you probably can't see much actually. So that's them pipes on. Hello. Now let's put these tap sections on. Right, that's it. So that's it there. So I've got mark. So I'll turn that round that way. So I just got to mark holes there. I'll put the brackets in on these ones. Then I'll put more along there when I can. Yeah, I think that's going to look really cool. Hopefully it don't leak. So I'm going to have to take it all off again. So we'll get the spirit level, make sure those pipes are level. And then we'll mark up where we need to drill. This is the scary bit. Right, it's going to get me drill bits. That was a pain in the arse. I burnt one of the drill bits out. They're supposed to be heavy duty ones, but never mind. So that's me 4 holes done. And that's for that, where the taps are. I think I'm going to have to get some diamond ones. Really tough tiles. Right, let's get that put in. Okay, well, welcome back. So I've got some new drill bits. I burnt one out. Got some raw pugs as well, and some brass coloured screws. So this is how we're looking. And that's it. So I've got to put some more brackets in here. These pipes are really loose. And that's how you'll open the water. I hope it works and don't leak. Oh, these are really loose, but when you blow through them, they are sealed. Right, let's put some more brackets in. I'm actually going to go in through the grout, not actually through the tiles like I had to there. But yeah, let's get that done and I'll show you, and then I can move on. I'm under the bed. Got to plumb the pipes from the water supply onto the copper pipes. So yeah, this ain't going to be easy. It's like crawling in a footwell of a car. So what you're looking at now is that's the 2 copper pipes that go that go into the shower, that are for the shower. Hot and cold. I'm going to do the hot first. As you're looking at it, that is the left hand one. So can I see my finger? That's that one there. I've got to get to, this is going to be a bit awkward, because I've got a soup bowl full of boiling water to soften the end of the plastic pipe, so I can put a thing in. Right, so I don't know if you can see that pipe. I don't know what I'm showing at. There's a pipe just sticking through. That's the hot pipe. I'm going to have to stick a insert in the plastic pipe and then put a 90-degree angle connector in. So what I'll do is I'll go back into the bathroom, heat the pipe up, put the insert in, and then I can put the 90-degree, crawl through and put the 90-degree connector in. This ain't going to be easy, but the things we do on canal boats. Right, so it's that pipe there, at the end of my finger. So I've put an insert in, because you've got to put an insert in because it's plastic pipe. And now I'll put the right angle on. I'm not going to film it because I can't do that with the camera there. So I'll be back in a bit. Right, that was hard. Right, there you go. So that's connected. Can I? Oh no, I'm on Zoom. Hang on. God, so tight. No. Right, here we go. So that goes through there. I'll trim it off, then attach it to the hot copper pipe. Right, I don't know if you can see or not. Let's get this attached. Right, so let's put it on there first. Wait a minute. Right, let's put the plastic back. Okay, I think I'll leave it there. I think the next video, I will do one more. That'll be the finished bathroom, hopefully, because obviously it'll just get a bit boring because it's the same thing. It's tiling, the plumbing's all done now. So basically I've just got to finish tiling, put the vanity unit in, sort out all the boxing and put the flooring down. I've got the flooring, which is vinyl tiles, because I need to be able to get to the hull if there's ever a leak or anything. I need to be able to pull them off and get to the wooden floor to take that off and get to the hull. So yeah, so hopefully the next video you'll see the finished product and you'll like it, and you'll see the colours of the tiles on that video. If anyone wants to guess what colour it is, leave a comment in the comment bit on YouTube. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Obviously don't forget like and subscribe. I know it's a bit of a long-winded process redoing the bathroom, but yeah, stick with it. Once that's done, we can go cruising again. I can sort all my stuff out in the boat, get it all back to normal, and then we can go off and do some winter cruising. Hopefully, if the weather isn't that bad. I'm a bit worried actually, because I'm on about snow at the end of October. I don't know if that's just up north though, in Scotland and the northern part of England. But I think they've had some snow in Europe already, in the Alps. So the skiing might be good this year. But yeah, so yeah, like and subscribe. It's free. It won't cost you anything, and it does help the channel. And I'll see you again soon on the cut. I think the next video, I might miss the next bathroom update up. The next video will possibly be a trip I done to Wales recently. So tatty byes for now. I'll see you again soon.